and welcome to Survival Dads. So in this video I want to talk about this. This is my BCB Fire Dragon gel stove that I've adapted into a survival kit. Now I have to say, this kit is inspired by Prepper, so make sure that you check him out. I'll put a link in the description below. He's got an awesome channel full of good ideas, awesome guy. So he was the inspiration for this, he did something similar, and this is my take on it. Now, I love it. Not only does it combine a standard survival tin, so most people use a Altoids tin for example, but this also gives me the ability to actually cook on it. So most of the time when I come out to the forest, be it camping or just going for a ramble or a YouTube vid session, I normally take a cooking set with me, but if I can combine a stove with it, it's awesome. So what I'll do is I'll pull the camera in and we'll take a look at the contents inside. Okay, so opening it up. Here we can see the actual stove element. So what I'll do, I'll go through the contents and anything in particular which might not seem of the ordinary, I'll kind of talk about it. So first up, I have some store matches. Pretty self-explanatory there. I have some wound cleansing wipes. So these are actually alcohol, so they can be used for obviously wound cleaning and also for fire lighting. I have water purification tablets. I have a block of Fire Dragon gel. I have a torch. This is the Olight i1R EOS. Absolutely cracking torch. It's so small, it's rechargeable, and just generally awesome. So obviously I included that in there. Next up, I have a roll of dental floss. Obviously this can be used for hygiene and also for shelter building and the such like. I have a tea light candle, illumination and also fire lighting. I have the actual tray that the Dragon Gel can sit in to burn more efficiently. Snare wire, so food and also shelter. I have a survival whistle. I have a lighter, which does work. I have an atom light, again, illumination, cracking little item. Check out Polymath products. I have a survival scalpel blade, wickedly sharp and perfect for small tasks. I have a small oil-filled button compass. And I have some sugar for that much needed energy boost. And the actual tin itself is quite reflective, so I can use it to cook on, I can use it to obviously store the contents, and I can also use it to help attract attention. So I really like this. I think it's definitely an upgrade to the traditional Altoids tin, and yeah, I'm impressed. Thank you Prepper for the inspiration. If you decide to do something like this, be sure to tag me in it. I'd love to see what you can do. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay prepared, and I'll see you soon.